I already made a whole video explaining why AI can be actually bad for small YouTube channels and beginners. But as I mentioned there, if you use it in a right way, it can actually help you boost your productivity, improve your quality, and focus on what really matters. So in this video, I'll show you how I personally use AI assistants like ChatGPT, for example, with real-life examples. Brainstorming ideas. If you're completely out of ideas, you can ask ChatGPT, Grok, or any other AI assistant to give you a few suggestions. Let's see how it works. Here's how I do it using my own channel as an example. Hey ChatGPT, help me come up with the ideas for next YouTube video. You can paste a few of your previous video titles so it understands your niche. Check out what it offers. If you don't like the suggestions, just ask for more. Or if you want to explore different niche like education, gaming, music, or fitness, just ask it to focus there. If you get excited about any of those ideas, go ahead and write a script, but do it yourself. Brainstorming with ChatGPT is great, but don't let it do the whole job for you. Keep your voice in your content. That's important, believe me. Grammar check. Once your script is ready, paste it into ChatGPT or Grok to check the grammar. It will check errors like misplaced commas, run-on sentences, or awkward phrases, making your script sound polished and professional. Checking your script for offenses. Before I hit the record button, I'm asking ChatGPT. Make sure my script won't accidentally offend someone. It will flag things like harsh language, cultural references, or phrases that might not land well with everyone. Of course, use your own judgment, but it's a great second pair of eyes to catch things that you might miss, especially when you're in creative zone. This is extra helpful when you're talking about some sensitive topic or when your audience is diverse and global. Crafting better titles. Once script is ready, ask ChatGPT to suggest few title ideas. It will give you a few examples. You can pick one or ask to tweak the title to be more emotional, engaging, or keyword focused. It's a great way to level up your titles fast. Let's check it out how I did it for this video. Give me an engaging title based on the script. Writing video description. You can also ask ChatGPT to help you to write video description based on the script. Just paste the script and ask, can you write a YouTube video description based on this script? Then review the output. Want it shorter, more casual, add some emojis, just ask. That's how I did it. Let's make it shorter and add emojis. I love emojis. But always double check. Sometimes it makes serious mistakes. So treat it like a first draft, not a final version. Generating thumbnail ideas. Once your script is done, you can ask ChatGPT to help you with the thumbnail. Can you suggest a thumbnail idea based on the script? It can help you with strong visual ideas and text hooks. Here how it helped me with the thumbnail ideas for this particular video. Give me a couple engaging and emotional thumbnail ideas based on this script. Fact-checking support. If you're making 10 facts video or sharing some specific information, you can ask ChatGPT or Grok to verify this information. But again, don't fully trust. Verify. Ask for sources, then double check those sources and make sure that information is correct and relevant. Because I had a couple moments with ChatGPT when it shared completely false information, even though it sounded pretty confident. So always double check and verify by yourself. At the end, I want to say this. Use AI to support your creativity, not to replace it. Let me know in the comment section below how you use AI in your workflow. And in case if you think this video was helpful in any way, consider like and subscribe. And thank you for watching. See you in the next one. Bye.